58 to 83. The curious and jaded came to see the publican who ran the Diggers' Rest, with choppers made of lightning ridges best. Now Harold's teeth were singular and fine, each incisor, molar and canine, was fashioned from an opal blue or white, and Harold's bark was equal to his bite. Harold Hodges' teeth, Harold Hodges' teeth, the most famous bridge in Lightning Ridge. Harold Hodges' teeth. When Harold Hodges' teeth were in repose, a charming artifact beneath the nose, but when sitting in the shrine out in full sight, then Harold was a-looking for a fight. If drinking made some mug immortal feel, and liquor put resolve onto his steel, and it made him boast that he could be the best, and Harold was equal to the test. Harold Hodges' teeth, Harold Hodges' teeth, the most famous bridge in Lightning Ridge. Harold Hodges' teeth. It was first-class entertainment. You couldn't make this stuff up if you tried. The teeth came out, it jumped the bar, and make the stupid bugger eat his pride. You can't take it with you, so they say. Now Harold and his teeth have parted ways, and when he died, St. Peter at the gate heard Harold gum the words,
"What are you looking at, mate?"
Harold Hodges' teeth, Harold Hodges' teeth, the most famous bridge in Lightning Ridge. Harold Hodges' teeth, the most famous bridge in Lightning Ridge. Harold Hodges' teeth.
Old Neil the Wheel looked worried as he pulled back on his beer. He rattled down his can and he ran his hand back through his hair. He said, "I've been over it, I've been over it. I still ain't got it straight. But two of us have somehow got a murderer for a mate." Neil first went up to Lightning Ridge in 1985. Dug a pit that fell on him and he was lucky to be alive. But in a way it was his making. But when the mine inspector came, he issued Neil a licence to open and cut the claim. Now I didn't have much money, so he threw in with three mates put their cash together and they formed a syndicate. They hocked themselves forever to open cut that ditch. And barely 3 weeks into it, they struck it, framing rich. Murder on the ridge, lightning in their eyes. The darkness of the mind, for one, became a way of life. Opals ringed with fire, friendship tinged with fear. A 7-minute gamble for $500,000 clear. 2 of them are innocent of what the other did. No one knows who to trust. Mateship suffered badly on the ridge. When darkness came that night, they locked themselves behind the fence. Each man said goodnight and he took a light off to his tent. As miners will, they knew the drill and they stayed close to the light. For no man walks a partner's claim at night. At 4 o'clock they heard the shot ring out from Michael's place, and they all arrived together looking like they'd run a race. And Neil had never seen such blood, it was all over the bed, and Michael laying in the middle dead with a bullet through his head. Murder on the ridge, lightning in their eyes. The darkness of the mind, for one, became a way of life. Opals ringed with fire, friendship tinged with fear. It was a 7-minute gamble for $500,000 clear. The 2 of them are innocent of what the other did. No one knows who to trust. Mateship suffered badly on the ridge. Now the police arrived and they closed that opal mine down for a month. No powder burns, no casings, no prints upon the gun. So the finger of suspicion rested hard upon each man. You see that each one had the motive and each one had the chance. And when Neil finished speaking, his eyes were growing wet. He said, I lost more in that instant than I ever stood to get. For all me old mates look at me like I'm full of flaming lies. And even you mongrel, I can see it in your eyes. Well, he knew what I'd been thinking, so I turned away me gaze. I thought, you poor bloke, what a way to spend your days. If they don't catch the killer, this thing will never end. For who'd trust any one of them again? Well, last I heard, old Neil the Wheel was up in lightning still. They didn't solve the murder. I don't reckon that they will. And as to which one did it, well, it's anybody's guess. So 3 men work and watch and wait and wonder who'll be next. Murder on the ridge, lightning in their eyes, was the darkness of the mind that became a way of life. Opals ringed with fire, friendship tinged with